Welcome to Taiwan. Did you know that a smile can be understood in any language? It's a universal gesture that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. And in Taiwan, it's something you'll encounter everywhere you go. Here, a smile is more than just a facial expression. It's a symbol of the warmth and kindness that permeates the entire island. Whether you're wandering through a bustling market or simply strolling down a quiet street, the friendly faces you meet will make you feel right at home. Taiwan, a small island nation off the coast of mainland China, has a big reputation for being one of the friendliest places on Earth. Despite its modest size, Taiwan boasts a rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty that captivates every visitor. From the moment you step off the plane, you're greeted with warm smiles and a genuine eagerness to help. The hospitality begins at the airport and continues throughout your entire stay, making you feel like a cherished guest rather than just a tourist. It's not just a surface-level politeness either. The people of Taiwan, known as Taiwanese, have a deep-rooted culture of hospitality that shines through in every interaction. This genuine kindness is a reflection of their values and traditions, which emphasize respect, community, and mutual support. The Taiwanese culture places a strong emphasis on family and community, and this is evident in their daily lives. Whether it's sharing a meal with loved ones or welcoming a stranger into their midst, the Taiwanese people are always ready to extend a helping hand and a warm smile. Whether you're lost in translation, trying to navigate the bustling night markets, or simply looking for a recommendation for the best bubble tea in town, the Taiwanese people are always ready to lend a helping hand. Their willingness to assist others is not just a courtesy, it's a way of life. The night markets, in particular, are a testament to the vibrant and welcoming spirit of Taiwan. These lively bazaars are a sensory delight, filled with the aromas of delicious street food, the sounds of cheerful chatter, and the sights of colorful stalls. Here, locals and tourists alike come together to enjoy the best of Taiwanese cuisine and culture. It's this infectious warmth and generosity that makes Taiwan such a special place to visit. The genuine hospitality of the Taiwanese people leaves a lasting impression on every visitor, creating memories that are cherished long after the trip is over. So, come and experience the magic of Taiwan for yourself, where every smile tells a story of kindness and every encounter is a reminder of the beauty of human connection. Taiwanese hospitality goes beyond simple pleasantries. It is a deeply ingrained cultural trait that permeates every aspect of life in Taiwan. From the bustling cities to the serene countryside, the warmth and friendliness of the Taiwanese people are evident everywhere you go. It's about genuine human connection, where interactions are heartfelt and sincere. Whether you are a tourist or a long-term resident, you will quickly notice how easy it is to strike up a conversation with a local. They are always eager to share their stories, listen to yours, and make you feel at home. A willingness to go the extra mile, often going out of their way to help others. This could be as simple as giving directions, or as significant as inviting you to a family gathering. The Taiwanese people take pride in their ability to make others feel comfortable and valued, and a shared sense of community that embraces visitors with open arms. Community events are a common sight, where locals and visitors alike come together to celebrate, share, and enjoy each other's company. These gatherings are a testament to the inclusive nature of Taiwanese society. You'll find it in the shopkeeper who patiently explains the different types of tea, taking the time to ensure you understand and appreciate the nuances of each variety. This level of care and attention is not just about making a sale. It's about sharing a piece of their culture with you. The taxi driver who shares stories about his city, offering insights and tips that you won't find in any guidebook. These personal anecdotes and recommendations add a unique and personal touch to your travel experience. And the family at the next table who insists you try their favorite dish. Food is a significant part of Taiwanese culture, and sharing it is a way of building connections and showing hospitality. You might find yourself invited to join a meal or taste a homemade delicacy, making your dining experience even more memorable. This deep-seated culture of hospitality is rooted in Confucian values of respect, kindness, and reciprocity. These principles guide social interactions and ensure that everyone is treated with dignity and consideration. These values are woven into the fabric of Taiwanese society, influencing everything from daily interactions to major life events. They are evident in the way people treat each other and in the customs and traditions that are still practiced today. They are passed down through generations, ensuring that the spirit of hospitality remains strong. Elders teach the younger generations the importance of kindness and respect, creating a continuous cycle of warmth and generosity. Taiwanese people take pride in making visitors feel welcome and comfortable in their country. This pride is reflected in the countless acts of kindness and the genuine smiles that greet you at every turn. They believe that showing kindness to strangers is not just the right thing to do, but a way of life. This philosophy creates a welcoming atmosphere that makes Taiwan a truly special place to visit. Whether you are exploring the vibrant night markets, hiking in the lush mountains, or simply strolling through a local neighborhood, you will always feel the heartwarming embrace of Taiwanese hospitality. We often hear about destinations known for their friendly people, but sometimes the reality doesn't quite live up to the hype. Tourist traps, language barriers, and cultural differences can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or less than welcoming experiences. Taiwan, however, is different. It's a place where the reputation for friendliness is truly deserved. The Taiwanese people are known for their patience and understanding, especially when it comes to language differences. They'll go out of their way to communicate with you, even if it means resorting to hand gestures and laughter. This genuine desire to connect transcends any cultural barriers and creates a welcoming atmosphere that is both refreshing and heartwarming. Taiwan's rich history and diverse cultural influences have shaped its unique identity. From its indigenous roots to influences from China, Japan, and the West, Taiwan is a melting pot of traditions and customs. This cultural tapestry is on full display in its vibrant festivals, ancient temples, and bustling night markets. One of the most endearing aspects of Taiwanese culture is the emphasis on family and community. Family bonds are strong, and respect for elders is deeply ingrained. This strong sense of community extends beyond bloodlines, creating a welcoming atmosphere for both locals and visitors alike. A feast for the senses, food, family, and the flavor of Taiwan. No exploration of Taiwanese culture would be complete without mentioning the food. Food plays a central role in Taiwanese society. It's not just about nourishment, it's about bringing people together. Sharing a meal is an act of love and hospitality. From the savory aroma of beef noodle soup to the sweet delight of pineapple cake, Taiwanese cuisine is a tantalizing journey for your taste buds. But it's the experience of sharing a meal with locals that truly captures the essence of Taiwanese hospitality. Pause. 3S Finding Family in a Bowl of Noodles. My Taiwanese Adventure. I remember my first trip to Taiwan like it was yesterday. The excitement of stepping off the plane, the anticipation of exploring a new culture, and the thrill of embarking on an adventure in a land so rich with history and tradition. I was wandering through a bustling night market, overwhelmed by the sights, sounds, and smells. The vibrant colors of the market stalls, the sizzling sounds of street food being prepared, and the intoxicating aroma of exotic spices filled the air. As I navigated through the crowd, I felt a tap on my shoulder. It was a gentle touch, yet it immediately caught my attention amidst the chaos of the market. An older woman, her face etched with warmth and kindness, offered me a steaming bowl of noodles from her stall. Her eyes sparkled with a welcoming glow, and her smile was as comforting as the dish she held out to me. Through a combination of broken English and hand gestures, she insisted that I try her specialty. Her enthusiasm was contagious, and despite the language barrier, we shared a moment of genuine connection. That simple act of kindness, offered without any expectation of anything in return, stayed with me long after I left Taiwan. The noodles were delicious, but it was the gesture that truly nourished my soul. It embodied the true spirit of Taiwanese hospitality, genuine, heartfelt, and unforgettable. In that bustling night market, amidst the clamor and excitement, I found a sense of belonging and warmth that made Taiwan feel like a second home. The memory of that night, the taste of those noodles, and the kindness of that woman will forever be etched in my heart. It was more than just a meal. It was a moment of human connection that transcended cultural boundaries and left an indelible mark on my journey. Beyond the tourist trail, the enduring spirit of Taiwan. Taiwan's warmth and hospitality are not confined to tourist hotspots. Venture beyond the bustling cities and into the tranquil countryside. You'll discover a different side of Taiwan, one that is equally welcoming and enchanting. From the tea farmers in the misty mountains to the fishermen in the coastal villages, you'll encounter the same genuine kindness and generosity that defines the Taiwanese spirit. It's a reminder that true hospitality knows no boundaries. Experience the magic of Taiwan. Your adventure awaits. Taiwan offers something for everyone. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history buff, a foodie, or simply someone seeking a warm and welcoming escape, Taiwan is a destination that will capture your heart. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and prepare to be embraced by the infectious warmth of Taiwan. Trust me, your heart will thank you. Spread the warmth. Share your own Taiwan story. Have you ever experienced the magic of Taiwanese hospitality? I would love to hear about your experiences. Share your stories in the comments below, and let's spread the warmth of Taiwan together. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Also, check out the description below and visit our website, destinationdreamsmedia.com, for more travel inspiration and resources. Your support means the world to us. Happy travels!